Aughinish, first of all, I think you might have referred to a sanctioned product. Alumina has never been sanctioned, and that's one of the issues here. The European Commission never put forward alumina as a sanctioned product. Our investigation is almost complete. The investigation has not found concrete or definitive evidence linking the alumina to a weapons manufacturer in Russia. That said, neither has it found definitive evidence that alumina may not be going to weapons manufacturers. So it's difficult. So what we're going to do now is we're going to share the investigation with the European Commission, because this is both an Irish issue and a European issue in terms of alumina, because the French facility Dunkirk, 70% of its material comes from Aughinish. So in terms of the supply chain within Europe, Aughinish alumina is important. Alumina is a strategically important product. And therefore, we've got to examine this in conjunction with the European Commission, which we will do. We have been in touch with the Commission, but we will be formally handing over the investigation to them. When I say the outcome of our investigation to the European Commission, and we will work with the Commission in terms of how we deal with this issue, because we do not want material from Aughinish going to Russia. But there are challenges then in terms of what happens the wider European Union supply chain, because we've been in touch with France. The investigation has been fairly comprehensive in that regard. About 50%, close to 50% of the product goes to Europe, primarily France and Sweden. The French plant is not owned by Russia, but it does depend very heavily on the material that comes out of Aughinish. So we've got to work all that out with the Commission as to the next steps in regard to this.